Yo, yo,
Yeah, what's the word? It's your boy Kha.Reality back with another one. Man, it's bad, man. I told y'all, man, it's bad, man. What I told y'all, man. I don't mean to say I told y'all, but I told y'all, bro. I told y'all what was about to happen. I told y'all, man. I told y'all what was about to happen, bro. Like, this is a sad day in New York drill, man. It's a sad day, man. Kayflock was found guilty of 5 out of 6 charges. I told these dudes, man, and it's like I don't want to just say I told you. I don't want to take credit for knowing what was about to happen. Nobody's wishing nothing's about to happen, but you got to just be unemotionally attached from people just because you're a fan or just because you know somebody. You got to go with reality. K Flock never had an offer. He never had an offer in this trial. He never had an offer in this trial, y'all. He never had an offer. Y'all need to understand that. He never had an offer, bro. Being that he never had an offer, they offered all his co-defendants time. They offered all these dudes time. And when they offered them light little sentences, you know what that did? They all copped out to these charges and left K Flock. Yeah, they all copped out to these charges and left them, man. They left them. They left them. You know what I mean? He was there by himself fighting. You know what I mean? Everybody gonna say, oh yeah, this dude real, this dude real. Man, y'all always out there. Why y'all all ain't take it? But y'all gonna sit there and y'all I know what y'all gonna do because y'all don't know the law. Y'all just gonna blame these two. Y'all gonna blame the guys that told, right? Nah, man, because those guys that told, they credibility could be shot. But when you got somebody who was actually there, when you got his co-defendants that's actually there at these things, and they saying, yeah, we did do this, Your Honor. They used that in the trial. I try to tell y'all, bro. And like everybody was just, at first people didn't even know what type of case this was. Everybody was saying, oh, this is a M trial, a body trial. Oh, he's fighting the body. No, man, he's fighting racketeering, bro. He is fighting the top charge of the U.S. government, bro. The Rudy Giuliani law, bro. I try to tell y'all, man. I tried to tell y'all. This is what the charges was: racketeering, conspiracy. That's count one. I told y'all when they was looking back for when the jury was doing all this and doing all that. All they was doing when they was trying to look for reasonable person and all that, looking for reasonable person, bro. All that was them trying to see if the body was right. If the body was right, if they was gonna find him guilty on the body, bro. Everybody was saying, oh yeah, this is because if they didn't get to deliberate yet, that means he's not guilty. Now y'all all got y'all foot in your mouth, man. Learn the law, man. I try to educate people. You know what I mean? I don't put content out for certain reasons, bro. And I put content out for certain reasons, man. When I was with this dude was a cool dude, man. When I was with K Flock, man, he was cool, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Yeah, everybody, everybody don't try to make the content about me. This is what people do. The content is about the trial. The content is about the trial. We making the content about the trial. And, this is what I've been following the trial. And shout out to Matthew Lee Russell for doing this thing. But a lot of you guys that's content creators, man, you guys was putting the wrong message out there to the people. You guys was lying to the people saying this is just a body. Y'all didn't know, oh, if he get found not guilty on the body and you go down to manslaughter. No, and the feds, it's either you win or you lose. That's it. That's it. He didn't have no other state case after this. If he would have won today, he would have went home. I told y'all they using the videos, bro. I tried to tell y'all, bro. It's like y'all just don't get nothing. You know what I mean? And shout outs to everybody that been supporting, that been understanding. Yo, Kyle, you breaking it down the best. Shout outs to you dudes that sat there and y'all refused to play my stuff on y'all content because of whatever personal reasons that y'all don't like me. But content shouldn't be personal. This is information for the people. You guys were sitting out there putting the wrong stuff to the people, man. Making the people think that these charges was different than what they was, man. That's what you guys was doing. This is what it was about. It was about Southside being a enterprise and continuing organization, man. That's what this was about, man. You know what I mean? And his co-defendants copped out on him, bro. Everything played a part in this trial. I tried to tell y'all, man. That's all I can say. Y'all know usually I go real legal and I show everything, bro. But I can just show y'all, man. They say this, man. This is true, man. This is what they say. They say when you fight in the body, man. They said when you fight in the body, they said the most thing, if the jury come back in the courtroom and they looking at you, that means you won. If the jury come back in the courtroom and they not looking at you, they got their head down, they don't want to look at the defendant, that means they voted you guilty, man. I try to tell people, bro, That's all I can say, man. Go to my old videos. Go back to the first time I've been covering this trial. You know, even go back to the videos where I was talking about when Casanova got cut because of K-Flock, you know. And K-Flock, him and the boy that cut Casanova, they went gun for gun inside the cell and all that. All these people were sitting there trying to ridicule, oh, you trying to do this, you trying to do that. Man, they not using none of that. They gonna use the exact testimonies for people they need, bro. They wrapped him up fast, bro. This wasn't even a hard trial, bro. They only brought 5 defendants, bro. For real, man. This is to show you all you guys, man. This should be an eye opener for all of you guys, man. Once they come with that Rico, man, you ain't beating that, bro. You ain't beating no Rico, bro. I try to tell dudes, man. It's a real sad day. You know what I mean? It's a real sad day. But this is life, man. This is life. And when you out there, you gotta, you know, it's only one way out for K-Flock right now. If he ever wants to see the streets again, it's only one way out. People saying, oh, yeah, he gets sentenced on July 14th. But you got to realize, man, this is the federal government. By you sitting there even going to trial, playing with them, by you sitting there trying to do this and do that, they probably offered him a way out and he didn't want to take it. He wanted to be a real nigga. This is what comes with being a real nigga, man. This is what comes with being a real nigga. I remember one time I was speaking to him. I was next door to him, and I was speaking to him, man. And he said to me, he said, yo, man, Kha, I ain't gonna lie, man. I feel like I'm being selfish, man. My moms don't even got no grandkids by me, bro. And I was like, yo, man, like, you already know my situation. Like, I told him, I said, yo, bro, I ain't gonna tell you what to do, but you got to do what's best for you, man. And he just prayed that night, man. This dude turned his life over, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He told me he couldn't even make music, bro. He was telling me, yo, I can't even make music because I feel like something was like possessing me, bro. You know what I mean? He told me one time he was getting his hair done. He was getting his hair done, and I think his moms told him or something like that, that it wasn't even him that she was looking at. It was like a demon, man. You know what I mean? It was like a demon, man. You know, this is a sad day, man, but it's reality, man. I'd rather get the harsh truth than the ugly reality. Shani Bonnie helped him. Shani Bonnie's the reason why he beat that body, bro. Shani Bonnie is the reason why he beat the body, 100%. She's the reason why he beat the body. So everybody, make sure y'all give Shani Bonnie her just due, bro. But when you see certain things, everybody talking about, oh, shout out to NY Drill, like I said before, shout out to them. But they reported that, it was only they can't agree on none of the charges. I think he misread it or something, but it was only one charge that they didn't agree on, and that was this body, bro. I try to tell dudes, bro. You know what I mean? I try to tell dudes, man, I can't even put everything into, I can't even fathom everything right now because I told y'all, it's no other content creator on YouTube that broke this down like this, bro. Nobody told y'all that this was a Rico. Everybody's, oh, Rico, and they just thought it was a body. Everybody thought it was just a Rico. Everybody thought it was just a body. I told y'all, when in the aid of racketeering, the body has to be. That's why he'll beat it. That's why he beat the body. But the result in the unalivement, that's true because they know he had the G on him, bro. They know he had the G on him. The attempted body and the assault with dangerous weapons, his co-defendants copped out to that. I don't know if y'all can understand that. Y'all just got the street method. Y'all don't understand law. Once his co-defendants copped out to that, bro, they threw him under the bus, bro. They threw him under the bus once his co-defendants did that. That's why the mafia do not take nothing to trial. That's why Jim Jones that day said, I don't take nothing to trial. I'm not saying Jim Jones nothing. And maybe I did the video on Kha B and Nino Brown, and they redid the video, and Nino Brown was like, yo, look, I don't care what y'all think about Kha. This is content. He's breaking it down. It is what it is because nobody knows how to break it down. I know how to break this down. It is what it is, bro. You know what I mean? Salute to the people that's not biased when it comes to content, because you cannot have your feelings involved when it comes to content. You cannot be emotionally attached to anybody when it comes to this. You know what I mean? I'm sorry for giving y'all the harsh truth, but I told y'all this was gonna happen. That's all I can say. I told y'all. I've been following this case from before the trial, bro. This is a typical Rico that they catch everybody on. There's nothing special about this Rico, bro. There was nothing special about this Rico. Typical Rico, bro. Typical Rico, bro. They always do it. They get an op and they get your man. And then after that, they get the people that copped out. That's the trick. They wrap you up with 30 people, 28 of them cop out. So 28, if he had 12 people, I'm sorry, y'all, excuse me. I'm out right now. I'm sorry. 28 people, if they all cop out and say, yeah, we a part of this, that looks bad. So the jury gonna say, yeah, or his friends said he was this, or his friend said that. Indirectly, they saying that. That's why the mafia do not cop out to nothing, bro. And that's why I said By you doing that, you throwing him under the bus, you indirectly tell him too. So if y'all dudes want to be real, if y'all dudes is all real dudes, y'all dudes all go to trial together. You get what I'm saying? I don't care if nobody want to call me real. I ain't going to trial with nothing. I'm not taking no chances with y'all. This is the federal government, bro. This is the federal government, bro. The money y'all use, they print. The laws, you know what I mean? And they do fidelity, bravery, and integrity. They're going to cover everything the right way, bro. They did everything the right way. They didn't do nothing illegally, bro. I try to tell y'all, bro. You know what I mean? It's your boy Kha.Reality. I might come with part 3. I might come with part 2, you know? But we're going to break a lot of stuff down. Just make sure that y'all know, bro. Y'all get in them comments and y'all tell them other content creators, bro. Y'all let them know, bro. Y'all was breaking the trial down wrong the whole time. Y'all tricking people with edits and pictures and videos, and y'all don't know what y'all talking about. Shout out to Kha.Reality. Shout out to 050 The Movement. Shout out to Kha.RealityTV. We got the streets. Salute.
To Frankie, and what influence did that have on your father?
A transit authority cop stops him. He pulls out the gun and kills the cop.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Did Gravano tell you how he became a rat?
You would never call him that to his face.